Welcome to Lalas World. Today we're going to talk about how to turn on night mode on the Twitter app. First, open your Twitter account and tap your profile picture to the top left. Look to the bottom left on the menu and click Settings and Privacy. Then click on Display and Sound. Click on Dark Mode, then On. Just so you know, the other options available are Off and Automatic at Sunset. Then enjoy your night mode. Well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. Also, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and check out the other videos on this channel.